Hello world, Genergy in the field. Your generator uses a lot of fuel. Your generator, even though it consumes a lot, lacks power. Don't miss today's video because we are going to solve this problem, and it is also very cheap to solve it and saves us a lot of money on fuel. Well, what good is it to you to have equipment with a certain power that cannot get that power out of it because it is operating suffocated? Yes, the cost of equipment that does not have enough power and is consuming a lot of fuel is giving you excessive smoke, that smell, etc., etc. I'm not going to say always, but 90% of the time the air filter is always the cheapest part of the generator when it comes to replacing it. To do that maintenance, the air filter is easy to clean, easy to maintain, and also the equipment. Well, it will last much longer if the filter is dirty. We have problems with soot buildup. What good is it to you? For example, here you can see this team has the Euro 5 that we see here. In fact, all Genergy petrol engines have Euro 5. What good is having the Euro 5 if you have the dirty filter? That is, no efficiency, no low consumption, no low pollution, everything goes to waste. To access the air filter, we are going to see it now. This is an open team. Here's the air filter cartridge. As we see how we clean the outside, this foam must be removed and we wash it with soap and water. It's worth soap and water, and we dry it. The part that refers to the cartridge, what is the filtration membrane that is this inside here? We are going to blow with a compressor from the inside out. Unlike how it was saturated here, we will blow here so that it comes out. We will shake it, we will blow, we will shake it until the filter is clean. We can do this every 50 hours, but of course every 500 hours. What you have to do is replace this easy item. En recambios at genergy.es, there you have the replacement, and you will see that the price is ridiculous. It's not worth it. It's not worth working with a generator with a dirty filter. Okay, I know, getting here to this filter is that simple. In soundproof ones, it is more complicated. Look at a screwdriver. Look at the manual if you don't know where to get to the filter. A few turns of the screw, and here I have the cap practically in my hand. Look, this is the soundproof cover. We're going to extract it, and we already have the air filter here. Do you see that? Here's the air filter. Well, take out this nut that comes off super easy. Come on, that's it. And I'm going to have the filter cover on the filter. I got it. Look at the position. Here's the arrow. I can't put the lid upside down. I have to put it like this. Why? Because here's the air intake through this maze, and here I have the sponge. Be careful, it is not a normal sponge. Don't think of cutting out a foam and putting it here. This is a special foam that can withstand hydrocarbons. How do I do it? Look at this with soap, water and soap. I wash it, let it dry, I dry it well. Oh, and I'd have it ready. If you see one thing, you see, it greases my hands a little. You see, the shine is that they come a little shaved. Well, once you've washed it with soap, and that's fine, wash it if you want. If you smear your hands a little in oil from the generator itself and grease it a little, you wrinkle it so that it is a little impregnated. Be careful, very little, without saturating. It's going to hold the particles better. Once we have cleaned it, we put it in place and then arrow up, we put the lid on. Okay, there we have the lid. Hope the screw matches there. There you have to face the little hole. With the screw to be able to put it on is fine, but note that it is very easy to clean the filter. I have been working in a place where there was a lot of dust. I don't know, there was there was dust, there was in the field, there was veil, because cleaning the filter doesn't take anything. It's almost as fast as washing your hands. A soundproof, that is the 4000 watt Madeira. Realizing what a generator with a dirty filter means can do what you are seeing in this video. There you have that video that you are watching as the generator. The generator is working, okay? It has started perfectly, but when it goes into operation, when it goes into production, the red light comes on, overload appears. It is an anonymous video, but it is a video that is demonstrating a reality that can be this. The breakdown is worth a saturated filter, an engine that does not give the performance even for prior bidding of the generator that has to be put to work. But we can have one of this type, as is the case of Cretasol, that there are so many teams working on solar energy, and I've come to see many of these generators that have never ever had their filter cleaned. That means if this is saturated, consumption increases, low performance. Be careful, because you invert them all when the filter reaches such a spectacular saturation. No, he can't breathe, he can't take in air. What will happen to the board is that as soon as you start, it will overload you. Why? Because the board is already examining the thermal, the engine, and if the engine does not already notice that it will not give him the power he needs, it doesn't give you energy anymore, Well, look. Sometimes we find really, really battered equipment out there. Look, we remove the lid. It's that simple. This one has a pre-filter and filter, okay? This is the pre-filter, the same thing. You have to wash it with soap and water, and the filter, okay, we are going to wash it with soap and water. We dry it, and we place them in the same place that this was, having this pair that this is worthless. This is very cheap. I can't say prices around here, but I mean this is very inexpensive. Recambios at Genergy.yes, send me a set of filters for my Cretasol seal, in which the equipment you have, and always have this one I have cleaned, another I have using, one I have cleaned, another I have using. It's the life of your team, okay? Well, we place them again where they were, okay? First we place the filter that is placed that easily, and then in the case of this equipment that has a pre-filter, we place the pre-filter that is going to withstand the most elementary particles, the largest air inlet. This one is fine, and we place it as is again the lid. There we see it. It's a top hat closure, one of those easy trailer-like closures. The case is worth putting on more complicated. This equipment, as they told me the other day, is to go to where the filter is, the manual and the same. Screwdriver, 4 laps, which doesn't take anything. Look, man, Please, how long it takes to remove the housing that goes on the side where the spark plug is? I can't go wrong. It's 4 screws of nothing. Look, here we are already accessing the interior part. UP, I already have the case in my hand. Where's the filter? Here we see it. Here's the filter. This is the air intake. This is the filter. We also removed the central screw that will hold the filter cover. Okay, look, we already have the housing practically disassembled. It is now perfect. And do you see our filter as hydrocarbon resistant foam? This one has lower suction. The filter is smaller, but look, see what this impregnation told you? See how my hand shines? Well, we will do the same thing once we have washed it well with soap and there is no more garbage left inside. Believe me, it takes out super dirty water, super warm, because I'm taking out a lot of garbage from inside. Okay, I wet my hands, impregnate it a little and place it. There it is. Look at the position. You see the shell that makes this shape. Okay, this is the position. You can't put it like this. Okay, that's it. If not, it won't match you. There it is, perfect. Okay, and our shell is exactly the same. Note that no tools are needed, just a simple screwdriver to remove the housing. Okay, there we tighten it perfectly and now we place our shell. This is the shell that goes like this. The screws, the other realize what it really takes, man. There it is. It's that easy to remember. In the manual you will find maintenance guidelines that say that the filter for the first 50 hours blow, clean, etc. Then at 500 hours change, replace with a new one. Well, I wouldn't even take these guidelines into account too much. Yeah, at least. But where am I working? If I'm a powder, I'm a mason, I'm a plaster artist. I am a person who is working, as far as I know, in an era over there full of dust. I have to be aware that I have to increase the revisions of the filter. A bad filter that is getting particles, that is getting scrub inside my engine, it's taking my engine to brutal wear. Accelerated, and it's not precisely because of work, it's because of that lack of maintenance. Euro 5 works, of course, gas recirculation works, yes, but how does it work? Does it work if the engine is breathing well? Alright, well, here we are going to leave it. More information here, and on this page you are seeing an Genergy.s. I leave you here, fix the spare parts plan for any of these generators that you may be seeing, and you are now seeing how easy it is to order the air filter, okay? Well, the telephone numbers are in the contact section of my colleagues, and Lo and my own are there, so you can contact us for any questions. And it is also important that it is forbidden to stop learning.